now to your 7 weather forecast with a live look from the Hamburg Fairgrounds. The best 12 days of summer have flown by. Can you believe it? Today is the final day of this year's Erie County Fair. So what can last-minute fairgoers expect from Mother Nature? We got Josh here. You're tracking all that rain, which we needed.
We need it. It's pretty much gone now.
Yeah.
And if you're heading out there this evening, it's drying out. It's going to be cooling down, and we're going to get a breath of fresh air, which is certainly welcome after all the heat that we've been experiencing over the last couple of weeks. 76 was the top temp today here in Buffalo after a early morning low of 67. Not very low there, not a big spread there between the high and the low. But the good news is that it is going to feel a lot more comfortable going forward. Temperatures made their way into the low 80s off to our east, 78 in Wellsville, and that's a very happy puddle ducky. A little bit more than an inch of rain today. The most rain that we've recorded in 24 hours since July 15th of 2024. So that is impressive to be sure, but still we have a departure from normal that is on the negative side. So we need some more rain. There is some more coming, but we're going to have to wait until Wednesday for that to happen. As far as temperatures go for your Monday, with an ample amount of sunshine from hilltop to lakeshore, it'll be into the low 70s, and the breeze will be coming in out of the northeast. That is what I call pretty much a Goldilocks day. It's not too hot, it's not too cold, it's just right. Now, again, we need more rain. We had a decent dose of dampness here earlier today, but we are still in a moderate drought situation, especially from Buffalo off into the north towns and up towards Lake Ontario. No chance of rain going forward over the next several hours. And as far as projected rainfall goes into the middle of the week, maybe we pick up on some scattered showers by the time we get into Tuesday night. And the areas to watch to see the most beneficial rain would be up towards the falls. This is a satellite view of Hurricane Erin. It is large in size, but it has weakened a little bit. It still will bring tropical storm conditions to parts of the Caribbean, in particular into areas just off the southeastern Bahamas. Top winds right now are at 125 miles per hour. It's a Category 3. It is going to intensify just a little bit as it makes its northward and northeastward turn out into the open waters of the Atlantic, which basically makes it a fish storm. However, it is certainly going to kick up the surf along the eastern seaboard. Dew point temperatures, they are in the comfy side right now. They will climb a little bit for the middle of the week. Right now, the view from space is a quiet one, 67 degrees, 20 degrees cooler in some spots right now than what it was yesterday, as the winds are now coming in from a northerly direction. Again, the view from space is a quiet one. The clouds are exiting. Futurecast shows that northeasterly breeze and lots of sunshine coming your way here for the day on Monday. And again, temperatures will be in that beautiful range into the mid-70s. The overnight low tonight, 55, 68 for a top temp in Albion for tomorrow, 70 in Batavia, 74 for us here in Buffalo, 71 in Olean, and there is that super 7-day forecast. We'll see clouds, some sun on Tuesday. Again, the next rain chance, not till Wednesday. You're watching 7 News at 6. Stay with us.